My name is Caoimhín O'Leary. I'm from Ard Scoil Na Mara in Tramore, County Waterford, and my project is about measuring joint recovery after surgery. So if someone was to get a joint replacement or a ligament injury, I'm measuring how much they're recovering after the surgery. So my mum had surgery on her knee, and in the physio they would look at the joint and do x-rays and things like that. And I was looking for a better way to measure how much the joint is recovering. So what I was doing was measure how much the muscle is building back up in force and measure how much the joints can move. So can they fully extend or flex their joints? I found a few papers where they talked about limb symmetry index, and this is where you compare the joints, so the good joint versus the healing joint. And they're using this a lot for athletes, and I thought, could they use this for all kind of patients and in their recovery for range of motion and for force. I've built a system that can measure how much someone's range of motion is and how much force they're applying, so I can show how much they're improving over a certain amount of weeks in their recovery program. This could be used by physios or GP doctors, so as someone's doing their recovery programs, physios or GP doctors can use these devices to do experiments like every week to see how much they're recovering. And it can also give people an incentive to keep going and to finish off the recovery. I've been to Young Scientists 2 years before now, so when I was in second year and when I was in third year, and now this is my third year here. In my first year, where I was purifying water with ultraviolet light, I came third in my category, which was junior individual technology. And then last year I came second in my category, which was intermediate individual in the biology section. And I also won a special award, which was Intellectual Ventures Insightful Inventions Award. When I won the award, I got to visit their office in Dublin, and then I also won a trip over to Seattle. So I visited their headquarters, their main labs in Seattle, and I got to see a few little projects that they were doing over there. I'd like to pursue science as a career, like either science or engineering, because that's two things I'm very interested in at the moment.